Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code using Canva. So, very interestingly, what you want to do here is first, we want to have a URL of something. So, let's go to YouTube. Then, let's click on this video. And then, let's say we want to create a URL that would directly link viewers or audience or listeners to this video right here. Now, how we can do that through Canva is by going to the tools right here on the left corner and then scroll down and then go to apps. Click on it. And then what you want to do here is you want to click on QR code right here. So at first you're going to be having this interface. Just scroll down, find the QR code button like so, and then just enter the URL of the video or file that you want to use. Now you can generate code. You can also edit the margins of the QR code. So let's have it at 8 or 6. Let's have it at 8. The background color can also be changed. Let's have it at dark blue. The foreground color can also be changed. Let's have it at yellow, yellowish design, and then just generate code. Now, automatically, this will be your QR code. Now, you can also edit it from here. You can edit the margin as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more tips and tricks only here on Telk Help Guy.